Hello, I'm Kim Sauer at SMT Nuremberg. I'm joined by Francois Amblard from VI Technology. Francois, it's great to see you here.
Nice to see you again, Kim.
And weather outside is horrible. It's snowing. It's April. This is Productronica weather, but it's good to be inside now. A lot happening for VI. Tell us a little bit what's new at the moment, what you're showing here.
Yes, at SMT Nuremberg we're exhibiting our 3D complete solutions for optical inspection from SPI all the way to AOI, and the link between SPI and AOI, transforming the data into useful process information, is really the key today in the inspection market. And we were very happy to win the SMT Vision Award in China at NEPCON, going on at the same time as SMT today, and it's part of our global 3D solution.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and that's obviously driven by your close cooperations with your customers. What sort of trends and developments are you seeing from the market?
Yeah, the trend that we see is for many, many years, customers were evaluating AOI solutions, and then maybe a year later evaluating SPI solution. And we see more and more customers are focusing on the complete inspection solution, SPI and AOI, and the software in between to make the link. SPI machines, AOI machines generate a lot of data. Customers more and more are looking for process information, not just data. And that's what we're working on with our Sigma Link solution, which links the SPI and the AOI. And the trend in the market today is for customers to evaluate the global solution, not just an equipment anymore.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely, but are you finding that's driven by or it's weighted differently in terms of importance by different segments within the market, or is it something that's becoming global across the markets for you?
Well, I think it's actually being driven globally across all markets. The first in the world to really have equipment at all steps of the process were the Chinese market in general. And in Europe today, we see more and more customers going down this road, as well as in the US. SPI is an important process control tool, and people want to focus on controlling the process on one hand and controlling the product quality at the end of the line and getting that synergy between the two. Mm-hmm. In Europe, most of our customers are running small batches, and when you run small batches, the ability to control the process, which is kind of stable regardless of the product you're producing, is an important aspect today.
Mm-hmm. And America, I suppose, are quite similar also to yes. Europe in terms of how, well, the industry focus as well, automotive, for example. Is that something you're finding?
Yes, automotive industry worldwide has very similar requirements, but industrial customers in Europe and in Americas also have very similar requirements. Today they want complete 3D solutions for SPI and AOI, and that's what we're aiming to serve.
Mm-hmm. Cost pressures for all of them are going down. How do you as a company deal with that or respond to that?
Yeah, I would say the cost pressure is very, very strong in Asia, less in Europe and Americas. People are focusing more on the value they're getting out of the products. And so the cost pressure is less important. We also see from an economic standpoint that the weakening of the euro has been extremely favorable to European customers putting new projects in Europe as opposed to putting them in China. We see the Chinese market slowing down quite a bit at a level that we haven't seen in the last couple of years. But we see a very strong market opportunities in Americas and in Europe. A lot less in South America, where the macroeconomic situation has been a little complex in the last year and a half. But in the US, Canada, and Mexico, we see good activity.
Mm-hmm. Francois, congratulations on your Vision Award.
Thank you.
And I wish you great success here at SMT Nuremberg as well.
Thank you very much, Kim.
Thank you.
You too.